All right, let's solve this other problem still on area of triangles. Last time we looked at, we're able to solve a question involving area of a triangle. So, but this question is quite different, a little bit different from what we solved last time. The other one was more direct. So let's solve this one. Yeah, we are asked to, question says, if the area of the shape is 28 centimeters square, find its height. If the area is 28 centimeters square, find the height. So you should know that the area of a triangle is given by what? Area is given by half times base times height. Remember that B is a base, YH is the height. And the the area is given to be 28 centimeters. Half times, the base is what? The base is 8 centimeters. While the height is H. The height is what you're looking for. So you're going to make height or H the subject of the what? Formula. So let's see how we can. Let's say here is 1 time, 2 into 8 is 1 time, and 2 into 8 is 4 times. So we have 28 is equals to 4 times H. 28 is equal to 4 times H is 4H. So now you are looking for H, which is the height. You make H the subject of the what? Formula by dividing both sides by what? 4. So you divide here by 4, and you divide here by what? 4. So this 4 will cancel 4. You are left with H is equals to 28 divided by 4. That will give you 7. That will give you 7. So the height is 7 centimeter. Remember the last question, in our last video, we were able to solve for the area. And so today we are asked to find the height. If the area is given, we are asked to find the height. So according to this question, the height is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. So that's your final answer. See you in our next video.